be a genuine experiment, mathematical beauty. AI cannot replace the human lead mathematical discovery. For example, pi just now. All right. Human, okay, is a gap, longer favor humans. All right. So this is all rejected. So what we want to focus here is we need to collaborate between the mathematical thinking and computational thinking to work with AI. All right. So now let's we go to Geneve here. How to collaborate between human and AI. Okay, how to use AI based on our expert, okay, in mathematical thinking and computational thinking. All right. How to do the mathematician, argument mathematician, argument reality mathematician. So picture like this. Right. When problems come, human mathematician start using their intuition mind, hidayah, okay, aesthetics mind. All right, start looking, developing definition, axiom, corollaries, okay, and then theorem with the proven step by step to get a theory. Do a judgment. I'm using that. Using semi AI. In your case, maybe using a, all right, to get the aesthetic judgment. Next, okay, we use I, or the pattern of discovery, validation and verification. Again, human validate, integrate, judge whether your conjunction. So, okay, the law like this, not just a verification and proof checking, but we also do a conjunction and human evaluate and integrate or do a judgment aesthetics. Okay, so most of you practice this model. 44.7 practice this model. All right, that's why when we have a problem from ChatGPT, you go to the DeepSeek, you go to QN, you go to any AI powered, okay, to confirm your conjecture and to confirm your ideas and knowledge. So there is three argument here. Okay, I'm there also to student, customer, to my response. So I did Godel. When I delete permanent boundary Godel, which is incomplete theories, it's infinity. Okay, I cannot cannot solve Godel permanent boundary because so when I get this question from the respondent, I more get very clear picture about the using procedural and epistemic, using computational verification in the traditional way, using intuition, theory building, problem selection. All right, I have a good result on the using aesthetic judgment in the reduced human capability. All right. So, for example, in the neuroimaging, I'm also neuroimaging. Okay, so you can see there is constraint behind because there is a brain region, okay, that they can be in estimate. All right. So now, why AI collaborate? Okay, are more confident the matching endurance. Okay, because there is some argument here. Okay, the first is one limitation of AI. It's the first hand shift upward. AI handle verification. Human focus the strategy. All right, human are very unique. Okay, remind because they can do a significant judgment 47.2. All right, and we also develop the complementary, no replacement. So that's why we are develop the collaboration between AI and human. All right, so now the question here will say why human irreplaceability dominance? Why? Okay, because you have to know 47 said that mathematical intuition because you are using your heuristic, Okay, you are using your immersion in mathematical culture. The second is the aesthetic judgment. You are very good, okay, in select the problem, motivate the perseverance, shape your proof standard. MashaAllah. So this is your good. It's a 56.0. And then how about the problem selection? Which problem matter that you want to focus? There are so many problems. So this is a cross-disciplinary, theoretical philosophy of mathematics, okay, that we need to use when do the problem selection. How about theory integration? MashaAllah. I know you are know how to use definition, axiom, theory, corollaries, all right, propagation to build, okay, the large mathematical knowledge to confirm your theory. So 47.2% of the questionnaire. So when you see that AI in mathematics education, okay, uh, promising because you ask the student to do the personalized learning, also using a personalized learning. Okay, when you do learning and provide the adaptive feedback. Democratic is very good because, okay, this is will make your okay, process between human and AI. They start asking question. They don't understand the result from the AI. All right. So if we are not guide them, okay, they will lose problem when student engage with the ChatGPT, okay, AI generative, and then AI powered, okay, because we not guide them. We not guide them to use their mathematical thinking, all right, and computational thinking. I go to on my right, okay, the career pathway implication. Okay, what is the career pathway? They are student, but they build intuition. They are still early career. They develop the problem selection judgment. They are senior leader. Okay, they know how the ethical framework as a top priority. It's a 69.5%. They are educator. They know how to design their curriculum, for example. All right. If they are working in the mathematics industry, okay, they know how to do the AI for computation, maintain strategic direction, to do the evaluation. All right. That we develop to this. Okay, the first is what? Conceptual, conceptual reasoning, right? Pedagogy, empathy, judgment with story, cross-domain formulation. This is a very important because this is very implicit. All right. So the journey, I'm not go journey too long. Okay, I just go journey up to uh, 2030. Okay, 2030, okay, what we hope is there is a collaboration between human and AI. There is a okay, authorship, no mathematics, right? For the traditional developing theorem and theorem, which is very immune, okay, especially in the dynamic, there is not application in the industry, all right? So now the next is a theory extension, but the human directed domain, okay, and how we are using conjunction, intuition, generalization, specification to be more autonomous. Yeah. So I don't want to much on the alpha geometry. They're using alpha geometry, okay, to champion the mathematics Olympiad. See, okay, how to find the angle, how to find the circle, all right, based on the alpha geometry. But this one is more powerful because tong geometry, okay, so okay, they have so many alternative solution, a probability solution, all right, to solve this problem. It's much more champion. When the student go for the other direction, they also can get the proof solution using AI and using the traditional, right? So now what we can say is, okay, questionnaire. Okay, the first priority ranking based on the 452 my questionnaire, okay, my respondent from February to March, okay, just finished, and then and I analyze using AMOS. The first priority now is ethic, best practice. Okay, because we look authorship's guideline, education standard, education guardrail, and equity protocol. That's we are looking now. Okay, the second priority, powerful AI model. Come on, we not develop LSTM, okay, random forest, ANN, support vector machine. We want to improve. Okay, based on the reasoning, based on the mind of the Zadeh. All right. And then we want to develop the theory discovery and AI interface, very good interface, very good uh, okay, argument, okay, to develop the accurate AI model. And then the other one is longitudinal studies. Okay, this is an impact to the student, all right, because they need to do a generalization practice chain. Okay, for example, personalized learning, okay, reasoning, okay, using the AI or using their mind. Okay, and then the other one is educational focused AI. So there is a transformation teaching and learning based on the pedagogy design tool, which is very, or I think thousand in the market right now. You can use, okay, to communicate with the student. Okay, so what is the evidence when you say that the magic is endurance? Okay, I am presenting based on the data, based on my statistical strength, based on the structured evidence, and based on the content evidence. Okay, what I can say that